All right, all the way live from beautiful Southern California, early in the morning. Let me walk you through what I'm thinking here. There's two sides that you can go to this Ferris wheel or big wheel, whatever it's called. This is one side, one way. So my idea was like to bring some speed in. So what you're seeing here is practice flights. I'm trying to find where the latency is, where I might have issues with things. I want to maybe incorporate a couple backflips, power loops. I'm trying to get an idea where my range is. These are all things that I'm doing in my practice flights. Now we're going to go for a power loop attempt, a little bit fast, just getting an idea here. No breakup. We're going to dip through here. Look at this. Yes. Woo. Bring it on up, and then we're going to yaw it some way. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah. See? Watch out for them palm trees. Oh, I just got stuck in a palm tree. Yeah, I was just trying to figure out how can I make this look, and then also when I revisit this location, I'll already know ahead of time and I can pre-plan. Backflip almost into the palm. That's actually really nice. Stairs, I like stairs, and you got to tap the ground and say hello. How are you doing? Fabulous weekend. This is the, 9th, 10th week of the month of the year 2022. Power loop. Yes, look at that. Beautiful. Carry it down some speed, maybe a bit too long, I admit. Palm tree, no. Oh, diamond thumbs.